Hello, YouTube. Yeah, just to get straight to the point, you know, we won't be rolling with Headway no more. You know, that's the end of 3 years of what Headway. But here's the Headway bank right here. Let's take a good picture of that. You know, so won't be using this. We had a long run with it. I mean, we got a lot of dead sales with it. Like, right now, I probably got like over 30 dead sales. So, you know, but overall, this was a good option for car audio and still is a good option for car audio. It's just we'll be moving on from it and we'll be going to this right here. Yep. You know, I was there when Jordan got this finished. Look at it, y'all. See, we charging that. Right now it's at 15. It's upside down. You know, we might switch that up one day, you know. But it's okay. There you go. The amp is all snug back there. I had to come, you know, do a nice little amp rack for it. Get it all together. You know, and it's definitely, with this little device right here, it balances, you know, it balances the whole entire bank, and it also keep up with the voltage of the whole entire bank, if that make any sense. All right, let's go back here and check out the sound system. We're gonna get a nice little demo. It took me a while to find a nice little song for us. But if you guys have any questions, and the wires, if y'all notice the wires I did a little different because I ran out of wire length. But here we go. I'm thinking about trying to move it over a little bit, but at the same time, I don't see why not. We got a decent amount of space right there. You know, they've been doing good. Cold to a touch right now. I've been playing them a little bit today, you know, but I check on them, keep on them, you know, still a little tight, you know. As they sit around and just not do nothing, they do get back tight. But when I'm playing them for a while, they do get a little loose. All right. Let's go ahead and do a little demo. You know, it says like a holiday. Hopefully I don't bother too many people. Let's go. Oh man, let it go and let it go all the way up here though, but it's called I'm Trill by Webby.
Savage life.
Oh yeah, making panties drip and pedals rip. Yeah, this is DJ Rustico.
Ran clean too, y'all.
Like a pack of gorillas. Your rap contract shit proof for life, nigga, that's just facts, nigga. I'm shooters and killers, like a pack of gorillas. Drug pushers and dealers that carry rulers and pistols. I'm still hood as a bitch. I keep some smoking, some drink. My money good as a bitch. Yeah, I got cash in the bank, cause I'm trippin'. All my gangsters, all my thugs, all my bitches show me love in the club. All because I'm trippin'. All my gangsters, all my thugs, all my bitches show me love in the club. All because I'm trippin'.
Oh yeah, making panties drip and panels rip.
Catch that up.
DJ Rustic.
Already back at 15.1, 15.2.
I'm in the dark going brave.
Oh, that was nice.
Dark, it's a movie score.
That was nice. That was nice. That was very, very nice. You know, at the plan like that, you want to check. We was playing at 34, full for a tilt. Getting ugly flex, man. I've never seen flex like that on this mountable yet. Not even still super cool to the touch. We was playing with like strong efficiency this time, so. Oh man. So, like I said, we saying goodbye. Let's check the voltage on here. You know, when you play like that, you definitely want to check your voltage. It did go down to 15.1. It's going back up, so it's charging back up just a little bit. All right, man. You guys, let me know what you think of CMAX. Let me know what you think of Headway. You know, subscribe and like the video.